Hello guys, welcome. So in this video we're going to see how to move your Blogger website to WordPress. So for that you will need two plugins in WordPress: Blogger Importer and Blogger to WordPress. Make sure to use Blogger to Import plugin of RTCam. Now we will go in Tools section and there in Import and click on the Blogger Importer and you will move to a screen. The next step is to import the CSV. For that I will go in the setting and then here I can back up the content. I will save the CSV file, XML file. Now the next step is to import that XML file. So I will go and import the XML file in the importer section, and this import will import so here I will select the user. So this import will import the entire post from your Blogger to your WordPress website. There we go, our file got imported here, and it's showing a success message. So I will go and check the post section if actually I got the post or not. Okay, so here we have all the posts that got imported from Blogger, but the permalink is not very well. So I will go in the settings section and click on the permalink and reset the permalink to the pretty one. So this way you will have the WordPress pretty permalink structure for your post. Or you can go back and check this permalink structure because it's most preferred permalink structure, where you will have date and time with your post URL. And then for the next step I will need Blogger to WordPress plugin of RTCam. So I will go and install it if it's not already, and go in the tool section, click on the Blogger to WordPress, and here click on start configuration, and you will get a code. Just copy the code and paste this code in theme of your Blogger website. So either you can customize or you can edit HTML. Just replace the entire code with the code that you have pasted from your WordPress website. So what this code will do, it will redirect the user from Blogger to WordPress. So whenever someone comes to your Blogger website following the old post link of your Blogger post, so they will get redirected to the new site, the WordPress site. So this will, you will not have any problem with SEO and things like that. So here I will click on the link and there you can see my post got redirected. So this is how we can migrate a plugin from Blogger to WordPress. So one more thing you may need here is if your images after import, if your images are not in proportion, they are not equal size, then you can do one thing here is go in their plugin section and install a plugin called regenerate thumbnail. Yeah, so here is the plugin. So install it and activate this plugin. As soon as it get activated, just click on the settings. Okay, here, yeah, no. So here is the setting of this plugin, regenerate thumbnail. Click on this page and click on the button regenerate thumbnail. So what this plugin will do, it will crop your images, your site images, into proportion size that already defined in your WordPress theme. So it will crop those images in those different sizes and show a equal proportion of size or image size on your front end. So that's how, if you are getting irregular image size, then you can install and use this plugin. Thanks for watching.